Submenu is used to create different price list for different sections. Like for example, you can create different submenu for dine-in and online. So how to create submenu? Click on submenu, click new, add submenu name for this particular submenu, dine-in, mark this active. Increase and decrease by percent is, if you want to increase item value by percent, you can click on this and enter value over here. If you want to increase or decrease by amount, you can click on this and enter value of how much you want to increase or decrease. And set manually is for if you want to enter price manually. From here you can search category you want to assign in this particular submenu, for example hot beverages. From here you can add prices for this particular submenu. If you add 25, it will be applicable for only for this particular price book. For this 60, and click on save, and the submenu is saved. Enter price, click on save, and the submenu is saved.